Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Chrysler 200 Limited, stock number B9442P. 38,000 miles on this Limited. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, vivid blue in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, including 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. 200 is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. It's in the mid-size car class, seats 5, cloth interior, split seat back. Allows longer cargo items to be loaded. Backup camera for additional safety. And a spacious trunk. The wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Push button start. Easy to read ice blue gauges with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, paddle shifters for when the 9-speed automatic transmission is put into sport mode. Touch screen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Heating and air conditioning. Compass. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 9-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. And lots of storage space. Large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this 200 has a 3.6 liter V6, 295 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 19 miles per gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.